You've just clicked this video. Perfect. If you've just turned 18, 19, 20, whatever, you must understand these 5 key principles if you want to increase your chances of living wealthy and successful. So let's hop right in. Starting off with number 1 is don't live above your means. Here's the deal. One of the easiest ways to make money is to not spend the money that you already have, especially on crap that you don't even need. You really need that pair of $300 J's that just dropped, an iPhone 12 Pro Max, or to eat out every night with friends? No. As a matter of fact, in your late teens and early 20s, no one expects you to live lavishly at that stage. And straight up, nobody cares, because at the same time, they're worrying about how others see them. It's like this paradox. You're wasting all this time trying to impress people that don't even know you exist. Hey, do you know who these guys are? Look at what they're wearing. I'll leave it at that. So embrace the frugality, and it'll pay off later. What you should do instead is invest. You only get one chance, and the earlier you start, the better. The worst thing that you can do with your money is to park it in a savings account that is losing its purchasing power to inflation every single year, especially in 2021. You need to invest your money in places where it can increase in value passively over time. If you're only relying on the salary or exchanging your time for money, you'll hit a ceiling eventually. It's just not enough. There's so many options out there to invest, but for now we'll start small with just stocks and cryptocurrency. Use my referral links in the description below to install Webull, Public, or Robinhood for stocks, and Gemini or Coinbase for crypto. Make an account, connect your bank, and start investing right now. Take whatever money you're making and put it into stocks weekly, bi-weekly, and just forget about it. In 5, 10, 20 plus years from now, you'll thank me. Thirdly, start building your credit. I don't care if you've got 6 store credit cards or if you're a disciple of Dave Ramsey.
One gives me the best rewards at particular places. I pay the bill in full at least monthly or every card. Why shouldn't responsible individuals such as myself use credit cards? Because you're not. You're delusional.
You need credit for a mortgage, to finance. How can you expect to do all those things without a proven track record? What I highly recommend you do, after you finish watching this video, of course, is to go on Discover's website and apply for their secured credit card. If you're watching this video, you more than likely have no credit history whatsoever, so you're going to get denied for almost anything else out there. A secured card is one of the easiest ways to start building your credit history. With this card, you give Discover collateral that serves as your credit line. For example, if you pay the minimum collateral of $200, your credit line will be $200. So give them $300 and put minor expenses on the credit card every month. Pay it in full. And then after 8 months of responsible spending, the card will become unsecured and you will get your security deposit back. And your score should be at least 700 by then. And speaking of risks, don't be afraid to take risks. Start a business, make more aggressive investments. The internet has made it easier than ever to start a side venture, so there's no excuses. Drop shipping, affiliate marketing, reselling, blogs, tutoring, the list goes on and on. And even if these fail and you lose all your money, you've still gained some substantial knowledge. Knowledge that 99% of people would never have, that can help you later on in life. Seriously, what's the worst that could happen? Lost all your money? Then go get some more. Like I said, you only have one shot. At this age, your financial responsibilities are negligible, and you probably still live with mom and dad. Once it's time to leave the bird's nest and you're on your own, it's going to be way more difficult to take risks than it is now. One business model I highly recommend is freelancing. What's great about this business is that startup costs are near zero, and depending on the perceived value of your offer, you only need a few monthly clients to really thrive. The basic idea is that you're finding local businesses that are falling short in some aspect, and then reaching out to offer your expertise. Lead gen, running ads, building websites, SEO, or just a handful of many skills that you can offer up to these businesses. Make no mistake, you don't need to be an expert. As long as you have the firm understanding of the service that you're offering, you can confidently contact these businesses who inform them how subscribing to your services will yield a huge return on investment. And finally, don't worry about being behind. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. It's okay if you're still trying to figure things out. It's normal. See this guy? You probably know him as one of the richest guys to ever walk the planet. Now, take a look at this chart. This is his net worth over time. He started making most of his money in his 50s. We're only 20. So stop stressing yourself out and recalibrate that energy towards making yourself great one day at a time. And that's it for today's video. These 5 steps are how you get a head start as early as a teenager. Hey look, if you liked what you saw, all I'm asking is for a like. and to subscribe, because the last thing I want is for you to miss out on other videos like this one. And once again, don't forget to grab your free stocks in crypto with my referral links in the description below. Thanks for watching and be well. Okay,